Hey everyone, now let's learn about the beta lactam antibiotics. So, beta lactam antibiotics are cell wall synthesis inhibitors. So, beta lactams are penicillins, cephalosporins, carbapenems, and monobactams. So, penicillin, cephalosporins, carbapenems, and monobactam. Now, second ring is different in different beta lactams. Now, let's learn about the penicillins. Firstly, the penicillin G or benzyl penicillin. Its limitations are it's not effective orally, means it is acid labile, short acting due to rapid tubular secretion. Third, narrow spectrum. Fourth, resistance, and fifth is allergy. Now, firstly, acid resistant or oral penicillin or drug which are not acid labile are vodka drugs, trick, penicillin V, oxacillin, dicloxacillin, cloxacillin, and ampicillin. While increased duration of action of penicillin G, probenecid, that compete with penicillin at tubular pumps and increases duration of action of penicillin. So, depot preparation are benzathine penicillin G, which is longest acting penicillin G. Now the depot preparations, these are given by intramuscular route only. So it releases slowly from the muscle whenever it is needed. Third, spectrum of penicillin G. So, gram positive cocci like streptococcus, staphylococcus, and the bacillus clostridium in diphtheria. Now, few gram negative cocci, neisseria, and bacilli are not effective. So, we can say that it's mostly working on the gram positive cocci and bacillus. Now, the broad or wide spectrum penicillin, their trick is CAT map. Now, C means carbenicillin, A means ampicillin, amoxicillin, T ticarcillin, M meslocillin, A azlocillin, P piperacillin. So, let's revise. Broad spectrum penicillins are CAT map, carbenicillin, ampicillin, amoxicillin, ticarcillin, M meslocillin, A azlocillin, and P piperacillin. Now, fourth is beta lactamase inhibitors. So, they inactivate beta lactam antibiotics by opening of beta lactam ring. So, they open the beta lactam ring and inactivate beta lactam antibiotics. Now, beta lactamase inhibitors are clevolinic acid, sulbactam, and tazobactam. Now, clevolinic acid plus amoxicillin is given, sulbactam plus ampicillin is given, and tazobactam plus piperacillin is given. Now, the clevolinic acid, which inhibits wide variety of beta lactamases, class 2nd to class 5 of beta lactamases, but not class 1 cephalosporinase, produced by both gram positive and gram negative bacteria, progressive inhibitor, and it's also known as suicide inhibitor, as it gets inactivated after binding to the enzyme, and uses are clevolinic acid plus amoxicillin. It's called comoxiclav. Its empirical uses are skin and soft tissue infections, intracellular, intraabdominal, and it's intraabdominal and gynecological sepsis, UTI, RTI, nosocomial infections, means hospital acquired, and gonorrhea. Now the empirical means tukka marna. Now the penicillinase resistant penicillins are their trick is condom. It's cloxacillin, oxacillin, nefcillin, dicloxacillin, and methicillin, which is most resistant. So let's revise: cloxacillin, oxacillin, nefcillin, dicloxacillin, and methicillin. O is nothing. Now MRSA means methicillin resistant staph aureus. MRSA. So resistance due to alteration in penicillin binding proteins. Beta lactams are infective except fifth generation cephalosporins. In methicillin resistant staph aureus, beta lactams are ineffective except fifth generation cephalosporins. Now, fifth is allergy. Skin testing done by intradermal injection of drug. Cross allergy, allergic to one penicillin. All beta lactams are allergic except monobactams. Now, penicillin G uses are last man, listeria, actinomycosis, syphilis, tetanus, meningococcus, and anthrax. Now, vancomycin or vancomycin is a glycopeptide. It inhibits cell wall synthesis, not effective orally, means not absorbed, and it's given IV, releases histamine, and causes the red man syndrome. And side effects of vancomycin are nephrotoxic and ototoxic. And vancomycin is not effective against pseudomonas. Very important. Vancomycin is not effective against pseudomonas. Now, uses of MRSA. Uses of vancomycin is MRSA, methicillin-resistant staph aureus, which is drug of choice is vancomycin, and in pseudomembranous colitis.